Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Ford F-150. Stock number is A7256. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. You have easy access heavy-duty tow hooks as well as a chrome bumper and grille. A look down the passenger side. Chrome wheels. Those wheels are wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. The seats are very clean all the way throughout. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side, then swing around to the back end. Factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Ford bed liner keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Climate control and dual heated seats, and your four-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that's provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.